So we've got access to our current working directory. We can find that by using the OS function getCwd. Now, we're in that directory. I want to be able to get a list of everything that's contained within that directory. Well, utilizing the OS module, we can do that. We can list the directory. Take a look. So I've already imported the OS. I've printed out the current working directory, which is this path right here. Now I want to find out what is in that location. So if I use my print command again, I'll bring back OS. I'm going to hit the dot. Now if I give it a moment, it's going to give me a list of all of those attributes, all those functions and such that we can use. Now I'm going to look for lists. See if it'll find it here. Lisdir or list directory. It's a function. I'm going to open, close the parentheses, close it for my print. And if I hit my enter key, this is going to give me a list of everything that's contained within that directory. And you can see that there's a few things inside it. There's some of the files that we've worked with so far, some other ones that I've been messing around with. But you can see all of the files, all the directories that are contained within that current working directory that we found earlier. So this is all by using the lisdir function that's a part of the OS module within Python. Now, once again, this is great information to have. Later on, we'll take a look at creating new files. Well, actually, we did that earlier, right? And then I can see that it's in there within that directory. We'll take a look at checking to see if a file exists. Well, we can open up the directory, lisdir, and we can look there, or we can use a function, a part of the OS, to look for that for us. So another great function, all built into the OS module within Python. Try this one out. Pick a folder. You can change your directory. We haven't actually taken a look at that yet. We'll see how to change your working directory here in a moment. But for now, I guess, you can take a look at the current working directory and list out all the files and directories that you have within that location.